How to fix Zelle Bank Not Supported error. To fix the Zelle Bank Not Supported error, first of all, you must use the Zelle application on your device. So go ahead and launch the Zelle application, then log into your account. Once you've logged in, you simply have to enter your contact details and register. Or if you have already registered, you simply have to log in using your credentials. Then check the card compatibility and the rules. Make sure that you don't use the credit cards and also no prepaid cards, only domestic accounts, and then proceed to resolve the application and mobile network mismatch. Turn off any active VPNs and also verify the device region, and also try clearing the cache of your device of your Zelle application. You simply have to head back and open your device's app drawer, long press the app icon and access the app info panel, then scroll downwards to the storage section. You will find the clear cache option over here. Once you clear the cache, relaunch the application, and this should fix the Zelle Bank's Not Supported error. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.